This is a video presentation of the Haas mini mill. Got the spindle running right now. Let's go ahead and do it. That door needs to be tightened up a little bit. That's not a big deal. Next, we'll go ahead and do the handle jog. And the flickering is just from the video camera. It's not flickering right now with just to the natural eye. Let's do a quick walk around. We do have the shipping bracket for it. The foot pads we have. This is serial number 21387 and manufactured 7 of 2000. This does have rigid tap. This also is 4th axis ready. It does have the RS-232 port as well. Insert coolant tank there. We do have the manual that's with it, and then it's got the USB Ethernet upgrade on it, which is nice. And this concludes the video presentation of the Haas the Haas mini mill.